In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create a table in WordPress step by step. Adding and making a table in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have a table created and added in your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Post or Pages tab in the left side menu, depending on where you want to create and add a table to. The steps are the same for both. I'll click Pages. Next, find the page you want to create a table for. Click Edit underneath it. You'll now be on the editor for the page. Click the plus icon where you want to create a table. In the search field, type in Table. Click Table. You'll now see column count and row count. For column count, I'll change it to 3. For row count, I'll change it to 4 as an example. Click the Create Table button. You'll now see the table is created and added in WordPress. Over on the right side, you'll see Settings is selected. Under Settings, you'll see Fix Width Table Cells. You can toggle this off or on. If you want to add a header section to the table, toggle this on. You can then add a heading for each table column. I'll add one for each. If you toggle footer section to on, you can have a footer section for your table. I'll toggle this back to off. If you click into an area in the table, you can start typing whatever you'd like in the table like seen. I'll go ahead and paste in text for the table. If you click the styles icon, you'll see default, and if you click stripes, you can change the style of the table to stripes. I'll click back to default. Under color, if you click text, this is where you can change the text color of the table. If you click background, you can change the background color of the table. Under typography, you can change the size of the text. If you click the Set Custom Size icon here, you can input a custom text size. You'll see this toolbar above the table. If you click the Edit Table icon, you can make changes to the table like deleting a column, deleting a row, inserting a row before or after, and inserting a column before or after. I'll click Delete Row, and you'll see a row has been deleted from the table. I'll click the Edit Table icon, and if I click Insert Column After, and you'll see a column has been added to the table. I'll click the Edit Table icon, and I'll click the Delete Column to delete the column I just added. Once you're done creating your table in WordPress, click the Save button at the top right to save your changes. Next, I'll click the View Page icon to bring up a view of the page. You'll see the table showing that I've created for my WordPress website. That is how to create a table in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.